Hi friends, in this video we can check how to set up SMS gateway on our WooCommerce website. So when a customer places an order, they will get the message for the order details on the SMS. So before it was easy, but now there is some template registration and DLT content registration. All this you have to do, then only the SMS will deliver properly for the Indian users. You can see these things on here. So first you have to do some setup outside the WordPress. So just go to the msg91.com. this is an SMS gateway website. You have to take an account there, choose your billing country, email address. So to create an official email address, just go to your control panel and just create an email account with your domain name. That's all. Just create an email account as you are seeing in the video, and you can enter into your email account like this. This is your official email account, and you can see the inbox drafts or your mail details over here. Now just copy that email address and paste it over the MSG91 and click on next. Then you have to fill some details here. You have to add your company name. You can add your company name here. Then click on OK. You have to type the display name of your company. Then click on OK. Your full name. You can add your name. And you can add your role on the company. All this you can add your LinkedIn or Twitter URL, whatever you want. You can fill all these details here. Your mobile number, your continent. You are using API, click on yes and type something here as you are seeing in the video. Just fill all these things and it is easy. Now you can type your industry type and click on submit. Once you finish that, you will receive an request and you will get a notification about the activation on your registered email address, which is your official email address. So check that. Once you get the activation, you will see a window like this. Here you can register, recharge, and you can use. Now click on the sender ID here, and now just click on add sender ID, and here you can add a sender ID. Your sender ID should be on the 6 letters only. You can see there is only 6 letters is allowed. Now just type your sender ID here, should be 6 letters, and now choose your country. You can choose your country here. Now you can see the DLT or PID. This we will get after registration on the DLT platform. Now you can add your brand name. You can also a website URL. So just you add your details with your official email ID. So you will get your email address there. Now just click on the SMS API section and you can create an SMS API here. Now just type your authorization key and you can add where you are going to integrate it. Now just type WooCommerce and select the WooCommerce from the list and click on add. Now you can see you will get a key, API key. Just copy that and go to your website dashboard. Yes, you can see the DLT registration details here. Okay, now go to your WordPress dashboard and click on add new on the plugin section. Here you should add a premium plugin. Actually some free plugins are available, but it's not working properly, that's why I'm using this premium plugin. Now just install and activate that plugin. The link I will give in the description box below. Actually some free plugins are available, but it is not working properly. Now just activate the plugin and you can see the plugin settings here, WP Notif. Click on the settings and here you can see the plugin options. Now just copy the API key and paste it there. You can paste the SMS gateway MSG91, paste the API key, and root should be transactional and sender ID should be which we are created, WPHCKS, for the 6-letter sender ID. Now just save the changes and now go to the DLT platform. It should be based on your mobile number, so which is you are used to log in with the MSG91. That is your DLT platform. If you are using Airtel, then you can go to the Airtel DLT platform, or if you are using Geo, you can go to the Geo DLT platform. Now click on register now and click on principal entity. Now choose the yes option and you can add your company name and you can add some details about your PAN and you can upload your documents. Once you registered there, you will also get a dashboard like this after the verification and all. Now just click on the header SMS registration section and now here you have to select the header type. Now just click on others and now just click on here also on the category section others and you should type the header which is WHCKS, which we are added recently on our sender ID. Now just submit and wait for some, maybe it will take 1 day to activate these headers. So once you will get activated, you can see on the registered or approved section, you can see on the registered section that sender ID. So now just copy that and we can paste it on the sender ID section of our plugin. Actually we already pasted, I'm just repasting it and now just click on save changes. And once you finish that, click on the notification section on the plugins and here you can see some default template for the order notification. You can see the customer notifications here, so you can enable and you can create all the notifications, but now this is the default template for the registration option. Once you want to create a completed template, then you can enable that and you can add the template there. So this is the template which is default. Here your order something on the placeholder and you can add the customer's order number and site name. So if you want to get the details about the placeholder, you can visit our website and you can see the placeholder details, or you can see the plugins website to see the placeholder details, and you can see the site name means your website name. Like this you can see all the details. Now I am just editing that template and I want my own template, that's why I am adding a new template to there. That's why I am adding a new template to there. I want to add the customer name after dear, so just billing name. The first name is WC billing first name. Just copy that placeholder, so dear, and this will come dear the customer name. Then you can add your order, and the order number will become and received by, and it's now being, and the status of the order. So I can add a placeholder for the status. Just order status, you can see the placeholder, and paste it on the template section. Now when a customer places an order, they will get a message according to this placeholder or this template. But before that, we have to register this into the DLT platform. So just copy that template and we can paste it on the DLT platform. This is for the admin DLT section, sorry, the template section. When an order received, the admin will get an SMS like this, as you are seeing in the video. You can see, so we can also change this template also like this. Just copying, and you can add some placeholder. If you want, you can add product name of the or the order item name here on the template. Once you finish that, click on save changes, and now we can add this template into the DLT platform. If you want, you can enable all these options and you can add the template for one by one. Actually this is a demo site, that's why I am not using that. For your website you can enable all these things, and you can add your own template to each and every options or the status of the order. Now go to the DLT platform and paste it the template over there. So just copying there, and just click on the template section and click on content template registration, and select the template type should be SMS, and category should be others, and communication should be service inferred. Then you can choose your header, choose the header which we are registered now, which is sender ID, and you can add a template name. Actually this all these templates which I added earlier, so I'm just selecting from and pasting that template here, and now instead of the placeholder we can add this variable option like this. You can add on the template and just replace the placeholder to variable. As you are seeing in the video, you can just copy and paste like this. Now just change all these placeholders into variables, just replacing the site name, and we can add the variable here. Now just paste the variables, and now after that you can you have to add your sender ID or the header, which is the registered header. You have to add or include that on the template section. After that, click on submit, and click on submit and click on confirm. Okay, the template ID is already or the template name, so I am just replacing, and we can add the template name for the new one. Actually already I registered with this template name, so I am just replacing that to a new template name. Now just click on submit, and now click on submit, and you can confirm. Okay, our content registration has submitted for approval, and once we will get it will activate, we will get a notification through email. Now just click on content template registration again, and we can add one more template. Now choose the category into others. Service inferred should be the type of communication, and choose the header. Choose the content template name, order received, and now just copy the content from our plugins. Now just change these placeholders into variables like this. Just change. Okay, you can paste that. After that, click on submit. Sorry, you have to add your header section here, which is sender ID. You must include that, otherwise they will reject that. Once you finish that, click on submit and click on confirm. Once you finish that, you will get activated within 1 day. So after 1 day I got registered that content template. Now go to the template section and click on the content template details. Here you can see the contents on the registered section. You can see the contents which is registered. Now go to the MSG91 dashboard and click on SM1 API, and here you can add these templates. Like this, you can add the new registered template to there. You can add the template ID and the template name. All these things you can add as you are seeing in the video. And make sure to add your PE ID or entity ID on the sender ID section, which we are created earlier. So there you have to add the template ID, the PE ID or entity ID. Now choose publish or update. Now go to the DLT template section, and here also just add all the details like this as you are seeing in the video. You can add the template name, template ID, you can add the header, now once you finish that, you can change this variable. On the left hand side you should add a number to it, just variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, or just variable 3, just type variable 3, variable 4, and on the right hand side you can add like this: variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, variable 4. Like this you can update and click on save. Like this. Now just copy this template content and paste it on your plugin settings, and now just save the changes, and you can check if this is working or not, or you can check on the website like this. Now place an order, and you can check with your mobile phone. Now click on add to cart and click on view cart and click on proceed to checkout, and now you can place your order. and you can see on your mobile phone about the order. Yes, everything worked perfect. Now you can see you will get a message like this, and you can see the details of the message like this. Now we can change these variables into the placeholders and we can use for our website. Now change all the variables and you can add the placeholder like this, and we can use it for our website. Now change all these things and now we can check for the website. We can proceed to checkout and just place the order, and you can see the order number, and this is the message I will get on my mobile number, and you can see here the order number and the name, all these things. Like this you can create the template. If you have any doubt you can ask us on the Facebook page. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.